Hi, I'm Celia and I'm going to be teaching you how to make french fries in an air fryer. The materials you'll need to make this are golden potatoes, a bowl, a plate, seasonings of your choice, a knife, and an air fryer. The first step is to rinse your potatoes and cut them into your desired shape. I cut mine in a variety of different shapes. The next thing you're going to do are put your potatoes into your bowl and add your seasonings. The next thing you're going to do is them into the air fryer. Now that your french fries are inside of the air fryer, you're going to put your french fries on air fry for 10 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you hear a beeping sound, that's how you know that your french fries are finished. Lastly, you plate your french fries and you can eat them with whatever you want.